Hello, we are Jigme Yeshey and Matthew Dillon. Allow us to introduce CON-OPTIX, our innovative solution that addresses the way construction projects are planned and executed. I will be covering the background and problems pertaining to our product, the target audiences we have identified, and the goals we want to achieve. Matthew will then present to you the alpha design of CON-OPTIX. Some of Australia's construction industry's major problems are labor and skill shortage, poor process coordination, and poor project planning. Our CON-OPTIX will address the uncertainties of project planning by using machine learning and AI and computer vision. Construction companies can expect improvements in project outcomes and planning processes. An extensive market research was conducted to understand customers' wants and needs, understand customers' opinions, and find areas where our product can improve. Our target audiences are shareholders of the construction companies. Most of the shareholders are in the age group 30 to 64. The ratio of male to female is 4:1. We have drafted three ambitious yet achievable goals. By increasing sales, enhancing brand awareness, and expanding into new markets, we aim to position ourselves as the leader in the industry by 2025. CON-OPTIX will produce faster results, bring forward improved outcomes, and lower the cost of operations. However, the product also possesses a set of drawbacks. The production cost is expensive. The developers for this drone technology lack industrial experience, and the reliability of AI is questionable.
And now we'll be discussing the alpha design, which will cover the structural design, visual design, and the prototype of the product. The structural design. Our main product is to help visualize 3D model of a building using AR technology through a drone's view. It could be very unstable projecting the 3D model from a drone's view, so we created the pointer poles, which could be seen right here. The pointer poles could be used to make build space, that will be discussed later. For now, we'll be discussing the pointer pole itself. It is made of three main components: the light bulb, the container, and the pole itself. The pole is made of stainless steel and is very durable and has a lot of resistance to chemical reactions. So we use that because it will be used a lot in outdoors. For the light bulb, we use it so users could easily find the product when used outdoors, because it'll be hard to find or just lost or anything like that. So it'll be much easier to detect, and it will also help the view search for from the drone's view itself. The container is used to hold the battery and the GPS for the product. And now we'll be discussing about the build space. The build space works by attaching 4 pointer poles to form a shape. In this case, I'll be using a square. By that, first we must use 4 pointer poles to mark an edge of the square. From there we can find the build space right there. From here, users could build their buildings and put their 3D objects right here. And for the prototype, we'll be using Blender as a template to help visualize what it'll look like later on. As you can see, this is what we expect from our product. Right here on the right, we can see the view of the drone visualizing the 3D object that we have. And from here we can edit the size, the shape, grab it, move it all, everything like that. Yep, and right here we can change the size and it will visualize right on the drone's view. From here, users could also hide and show the floors, the roof, and the house itself. As you can see, we can turn off the house and boom, it's gone. We could also turn off the pillars and the roof just to visualize how it'll look later in the building, in the drone's view. Once again, yeah. And that is all for the prototype, and let's move on to the final part, the logo of the product. We'll be using the Eye of Ra because I see it as a fitting choice due to the symbol's association with being the eye in the sky and the representation of creative action and the pursuit of knowledge through human invention.